Last but not least in this 5 New Technologies assignment, we have Hour of Code. This is a really awesome resource online that has tons of different videos and instructional tutorials on how students can start to learn the basic concepts of computer coding. This relates to our 5th grade standards because students do have STEM related standards that they are to reach for in the 5th grade, learning how to solve and define simple problems using constraints on materials or also by focusing on certain specified criteria. So Hour of Code is perfect for that. As you look on the website, you can see that this is a free resource that doesn't even require a login, and also it's available on any sort of medium or browser. There are activities for all grade levels and reading levels, and if you click on each of these, I clicked on Dance Party earlier, it will open up multiple different ways to experience this tutorial. So either you start with the hour-long tutorial, so for each one of these categories, there's an hour-long starter tutorial. Then you can start on part 2 where it says go beyond the first hour with extended project ideas. There are also lesson plans here for teacher resources to use within the classroom, which I do plan to integrate in my 5th grade room or classroom this year. And then there's also an unplugged activity, which allows you to do an activity or play a game, which would relate to our game-based learning objectives in this course without the use of technology. So this would be an awesome backup plan for those days in the classroom when Wi-Fi is down or we need to integrate moving and rhythm and dance in order to sort of hit some cross-cutting concepts. But this is a great way to hit all of those things all at once. And you could do a multi-day unit over some of these things, or you could just do that simple hour or the shorter activity as well. So very flexible, lots of ways to experience Hour of Code, but invaluable skills that are going to take students into their 21st century futures well-rounded.